We're very glad to have you with us as we cover the very latest surrounding the coronavirus pandemic. COVID-19 fatigue rages on, but the reality is one American is dying from coronavirus every minute. Liz Ann Jennings, an ICU nurse who has suffered the unthinkable, begs her fellow Americans to wear a mask as the country anxiously awaits for vaccine approval.
It didn't have to be this way. Our family didn't have to be gutted.
ICU nurse Liz Ann Jennings couldn't save her own loved ones from COVID-19. In the span of 3 days, she lost both her mom, Linda, and her husband, Dennis, to the deadly disease.
It's just so raw. You know, sometimes I'm grieving for my husband, and then I realize my mom's gone, and then I'm grieving for my mom, and I just think, oh, I'm going to go tell Dennis, and then Dennis is gone. Wear a mask. This got brought into our home. My mom never left the house. My husband was so careful. Stop being selfish.
New CDC research indicates the coronavirus was spreading in the U.S. as early as last December. And as the world awaits for this nightmare to end, the United Kingdom becomes the very first country to approve the Pfizer vaccine. Here in the U.S., both Pfizer's and Moderna's vaccines are still being rigorously vetted by the FDA.
If these vaccines are as effective as have been reported, and our data have to confirm that, if that's the case, thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of lives across the globe could be saved.
But some Americans are worried about the vaccine itself. In a recent CDC survey, 37% of healthcare workers said they are not likely to take it. But one of Operation Warp Speed's top advisors assures Americans it is safe.
No corners have been cut. The development has been done very quickly because we had great science to allow us to do all the discovery work in weeks rather than in years. This is what will get us out of this pandemic.